Hello and welcome back to Weyermann's Whimsy. We are going to build the first card in the August 2021 paper pumpkin kit called the Hope Box. So in order to build this card, we need the card base, we need this card mat and this card front. We need the stamp that says always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. We need two of the small butterflies, and we need the greeting that says hope and the greeting that says tomorrow. And we need some of the sparkly sequins. So to put this together, we're going to attach this piece to this piece onto the card front. But before we attach the piece, we're actually going to do the stamping. So we're going to use our stamp from the set and our Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Spot, and I'm just going to ink this up and make sure it's inked really well. You can see the ink coming onto the stamp. Just make sure you've got lots of ink on there. Okay, we'll just put the lid back on that, and let's just stamp this down right in the middle. Oh, I can see I've got a bit of a holiday in the W there. So let's just go back over this and make sure we are really well inked. Okay. And now we're going to pop this down like that. So there you go. So always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. So what we can do is we can use our adhesive dots. I'm just going to peel the cover off that one and just attach it like that. Except it didn't take the cover off that time. Sometimes when you just peel the adhesive piece off, or the paper off the top of the adhesive bit, it does just come off. But I'm trying to come up with a way to make it really easy to use these adhesive dots. Okay, so we've got that ready to go. We're going to center it on the mat. Make sure we're nice and straight and centered, and I'm a little bit over. So there we go. Okay, and then we can do the same thing again and just put it on the, everybody see, now that one didn't come off, so I've just picked it up with the, that one didn't either, see? When you want it to work, it doesn't. There we go. So, and then we've got this one we can put down. So I am so excited about this kit. I have been waiting and waiting for this kit. It arrived really quickly. I've just been impatient for it since they announced it. It's so beautiful and the ideas behind it are so nice. And we're just going to pop that down like that. You can put this smaller piece down with dimensionals as well if you want. I've used the adhesive dots on it. So I'm going to take a dimensional and I'm going to put it on the back of the word hope, and we put that right over top of the stamped image. And we're going to take a couple of dimensionals, put them on the back of the word tomorrow, and pop this down right over the stamped image. So there we go. And now we need to add our butterflies, and we add the butterflies with adhesive dots. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's our adhesive dot on our butterfly, like that. And then just peel the backing off. And this one goes towards the top like that. And Let's get the next one ready to go. And this one goes like that and goes towards the bottom. And then we get to do the fun stuff. We get to use the little sequins, and we put a couple down at the bottom here, like that. And then I'm just gonna pull this a little bit closer so I can see up close. And then we put one like that, and one like that, right there. And it looks like we put another one over here. And just for fun, let's put one at the top, like that. So there we go. That is the first card built in the August 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit called the Hope Box. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next card.